Hi everyone, happy Mother's Day. Every year it's kind of become a tradition for me to create crepes for my mom and my wife. Not you guys, the wife behind the camera.
Hi!
And due to social distancing, this year we thought it was a good idea to make the crepes ahead of time and then we will deliver them to my mom. And since she's the only one who watches these videos anyways, hi Mom, love you, happy Mother's Day. I thought it would be a good idea to show you how I make these crepes. They're really easy. At least I'm told they taste really good. Maybe my wife and my mom are just being nice.
They really are good. They really are.
They're good. And the best part about them is they are made out of ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. So let's get started. In order to help prevent clumping as much as possible, I normally start with my wet ingredients. So we'll start with a half cup of water and a half cup of milk. Now, I found that you can actually use a variety of any kind of milk. Today I'm using this almond milk and it's vanilla flavored, which I find adds a hint of sweetness. Now I'm going to add my 2 eggs. I'm going to add a cup of sifted flour, and as I'm pouring it in, I'm going to stir with a whisk. You're probably going to get better results if you use a blender, but if you are surprising your mother in bed with breakfast, you probably don't want to wake her up or do the dishes afterwards. Once you have a nice consistency, I'm just going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And last but not least, 2 tablespoons of butter. And that's it, that's the batter, that's how easy it is to make. So let's go to the frying pan and cook these babies up. You're gonna wanna get your pan just a little bit less than medium heat. You don't want it very hot because you don't want your crepes to be crispy. Once it's at the desired temperature, you're just gonna do a quick little spray of cooking spray if you have a non-stick pan like me. You don't need to spray it anymore for the rest of the time. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of batter into the pan. Hearing sizzle is a good thing. I'm going to move the pan around until it covers the whole surface of the bottom. And these things cook really fast, guys, so you don't want overcooked crepes. I like to have the consistency of a flour tortilla. So you're gonna see the edges start getting dry here in maybe 20 seconds to 30 seconds, depending on how hot your pan is. That's when you'll know it's time to flip it over. So once it's cooked enough, I'm just going to use a rubber spatula to get around the edge, and I'm gonna use my hands and just flip it over. All right, so we have our crepes, and anyone who says they don't like crepes is crazy because you could just put whatever you want on it. You can do Cool Whip or whipped cream, sorry, not sponsored. Strawberries, bananas, jam, Nutella, almond butter, peanut butter, syrup, some sugar, powdered sugar. You could even do milk bones if you want. You could make a crepe pizza, whatever you like. Just put it on there. It's just the base for whatever is delicious. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I will put the recipe in the description down below. And happy Mother's Day. If you're a mother, we are grateful for you. If you're a mother in a non-traditional sense, we are also grateful for you. Like a dog mom or a father who fills the mother's role. I'm rambling now, but any kind of mother, we are grateful for you and you make the world a better place. But my mom, you, love you the most. I forgot. Bye!